Hey there. Thanks for watching my 99 Read review by Branson Tay, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page and show you a demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today, informing you of everything you want and need to know about affiliate marketing. This 99 Read review is based on my honest opinion of purchasing this product and logging into the dashboard myself. I usually take you with me as I research the platform, the strategy they want you to use, and tell you the problems that I see with it. Today will be a little bit different. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. We'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as we can. Now, let's see what 99 Read promises us. What if it were possible to get paid every time we read email? Exposed. Breakthrough Gmail loophole. Pays them $9.90 every minute for simply reading emails from their phone. No marketing, no waiting, no expenses, and no nonsense. On the right, we have the typical big, bold claims, how they're getting paid every minute, takes just 2 minutes to get started, they just read and get paid, and it's completely legal and ethical. As we scroll down, I usually like to take a look at their testimonials, and as I was reading these, they just looked real familiar. Read for Money was put out in December of 2021, also by Branson Tay. This one was actually an Amazon loophole, and you got paid a little bit more per minute. Everything on the right is exactly the same. And if we scroll down, the beta testers look the same, and Gail F looks a little bit different. But this testimonial is exactly the same, including the graphics. Same thing for Peg E. So Gail F, same graphics, different person. Peg E, same graphics, same testimonial. And then Fred U just got a whole lot younger. So he definitely doesn't look the same. So these testimonials aren't real. And this whole sales page has been copy and pasted from a product that he put out in December. He continues to tell you that if you read for a minute, you make money, which with Read for Money was the same thing. You read for 1 minute, you make money. So we purchased the product, got our welcome page. There's typically an upsell, that's no problem. And then we were able to register and log into our account with some bonuses and some support. With this particular email came a terms of use. So I definitely wanted to look at that first and foremost. And this is going to be my biggest problem with 99 Read. If we scroll down and look at the use of information from this website, visitors, viewers, subscribers, members, affiliates, or customers have no right to use this information in a commercial or public setting. They have no right to broadcast it, copy it, save it, print it, sell it, or publish any portions of the content of this website, unless you have entered into an express written contract with this website telling you differently. I purchased this product, but I do not have express written contract to publish any of this, to copy it, to broadcast it, to save it. I cannot show you inside this platform. If we look at the next paragraph on ownership or right to use, sell, and publish contents of this website and its contents are owned or licensed by the website's owner. Material contained on the website must be presumed to be proprietary and copyrighted by the website owner. So visitors, which is you and me as subscribers, would have no rights whatsoever in the site content. So we can't use anything on this website, even if we do purchase it, for the purposes that they actually want us to use it for. Now, it has absolutely nothing to do with you reading emails from your phone. It has to do with you sending out emails. And to start that process, they do give you the ability to pick a product. They send you to Warrior Plus and JVZoo, where most of the time you will have to request and wait for approval to promote the product. However, I highly recommend going to the platforms such as Warrior Plus or even ClickBank to research your products yourself. Don't ever just look at a sales page to research your products. On ClickBank, they actually tell you if there's affiliate tools available, as well as how popular it is and the money that you can make from it. There's all kinds of information that you can get to help you inform your decision in addition to the sales page. Another platform that you rarely have to wait for approval is Digistore24. It too tells you a lot of statistics, commission percentages, earnings per sale on the products, in addition to being able to see the sales page and get more affiliate information. 99 Read also tries to give you PLR to use as lead magnets. However, every time I tried to access one, I can actually show you this because it is just a blank page. Out of the 30 PLR products they give you, I cannot access one of them. So that isn't even available in the product. There is a landing page builder that looks exactly like what was in Browse Me. This is also a Branson Tay product that he released earlier this year. It does have the same landing page builder and the same glitches that I found in 99 Read. So if you want to know more about that, be sure to check out that review that I've already done. To be able to use any of the email functions in 99 Read, you do have to connect an autoresponder. If you already have an autoresponder, the chances are you already have the ability to build landing pages and also to have an email scheduling system with plenty of support. That's going to be the biggest thing when you get started with these email sequences is you need to know what to send and why. So you need to make sure that the platform you're using has plenty of support to help you through that instead of just being able to build the page. GetResponse isn't the only autoresponder out there. There are plenty more options such as Aweber, which also has a free plan to get you started where you can build landing pages. And then based on your subscribers, you can increase your plan. GetResponse also has a free plan that you can try to see if that one's right for you as well. So if you already have an autoresponder, you're not going to need the functions that 99 Read is trying to give you with the glitchy functions inside this dashboard. The last part is where we talk about traffic. You would think that this would be all based around your email lists, but they do give you the option to integrate your Facebook and your Instagram. Once you integrate those into 99 Read, and remember, you can't use anything you made in 99 Read to send out to these lists. If we look at their submissions, when you give them any kind of information, you automatically give them permission to use it without ever asking you. You also give them permission to use it any way they see fit. So if you give them permission to get into your Facebook and Instagram, what else are they giving themselves permission to do in there? I would be very careful with that, especially since the options in Facebook and Instagram are the same posting options that you have in those platforms. It will also only go to your current existing following in Facebook and in Instagram. So if you do not have a list of people on those platforms or an email list of people that want these recommendations from you and want to buy from you, 99 Read is not going to help you in any way. So the strategy with 99 Read was supposed to be that you would be able to read an email, whether it be from your phone or your computer, and that you would get paid per minute through some Gmail loophole. The actual strategy with 99 Read is to be a landing page builder with PLR and email sequencing capabilities. But if you have to connect an autoresponder, you already have those capabilities and you wouldn't need 99 Read for it. Not to mention the terms of service pretty much prevent you from showing this to anybody or doing anything with it. Now I did make some pages with 99 Read, but I can't show them to you. What I can show you is the URL for them. If we look at this URL, it is actually owned by perplexsoft.com. They are giving you the option to have a page living on their site. And if for some reason this website goes down or becomes inaccessible, so does your page. You can't make money off the page if it is not accessible. So you're at the mercy of PerplexSoft until they get it back up and running. If you have an autoresponder with support, you can troubleshoot this and get it taken care of right away. And if you think having an autoresponder is going to be too expensive on your pocketbook, let's take a look at the pricing for 99 Read. On the front end, it is $19, and this is the typical Branson Tay pricing structure with all of the same upsells. So all total, you're looking at $1,038 for a product that you can't share with your customers. There is nothing that you're reading to get paid. You're actually supposed to be sending emails out and hoping they click on your landing page and then buy something from you. But since you can't send out or share anything that you make with this platform, I'll leave it up to you if you want to waste your time, energy, and money on 99 Read. Remember, if you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to head down to our instant access link in the description below. If you found any value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I really hope this 99 Read review answered all of your questions. If you still have questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.